So, see, if somebody questions to me in the home, like, whose vehicle is this? My two-wheeler. Let's say it's my two-wheeler. And again, somebody puts a question, whose computer is this? My laptop. I'll say my laptop. Suddenly, if he puts a question, whose hand is this? I'll say my hand. So there's a separation. Hand is not I am. I'll say my hand. So my vehicle means vehicle is different. I am different. My laptop means laptop is different. I am different.
Yeah.
So my hand means hand. This hand is different. I am different. Who am I?
Yeah.
Is
You're
that a soul?
using that hand, no? You're using that hand.
Is there a soul? Like me means is there a soul or hand?
No,
is
see,
hand?
when you say my hand, that means you are trying to possess it. Mine.
So it's
mine.
If anybody, if we ask, we'll say minds.
Correct.
So it's just an element of me.
Yeah. If you think mine means you get attached, that feeling is there, then it is ego. But if you just say, okay, it's my hand, but you know that it's just an instrument. But you know it is an instrument, then
So
it
there
is
is
not
something
ego.
which is me, not this. That is soul, right?
Yes. So for example, a laptop you said, okay, you said my laptop. So in case your laptop is
It's a different.
stolen.
I am different. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. You said it is mine. Now that mine goes away. Mine goes away. That laptop has gone away, or maybe your hand has gone away. Okay. And if you are sad, if you are upset, that means what?
No, there is no death to soul at all.
Yeah.
I said in the Gita.
That means
It's a,
that is
One more
there's
question.
no death. Soul can never die only. It is just something that experiences that is a death. That is a death of it. So say similarly even your hand. So that's why Buddha also says if you leave that mind and I, you become zero. Nothing is there. Nobody is there to claim. If you keep claiming, then you will be a foolish person on this earth. Because nothing is yours. Everything is changing. So how long can you claim?
I have to say, it's just now it has crossed my mind. So you say that you have to become zero, but today's gurus they teach that you have to be in this world and get enlightenment. How is that possible? When you are in this world, you have everything of like that feeling comes like my family. I have to take care of my family. My food, my stomach. I have to feed it.
As an organizer, sir, what I feel is the same question comes. Last 20 years, people are asking the same question.
It just crosses.
You are doing this one. What is that? A spiritual retreat. It is not a spiritual. Why you name it as spiritual material? It is divine. Let us call it. When it comes to zero or whatever, ನನ್ನ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ zero to hero ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು zero ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಶೂನ್ಯ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೀಮಾತೀತ. ಸೊ ಹೀರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಗೋ. ಎ ಹೀರೋ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. You got it? A zero represents the shunya. Zero to hero you become, but always be anchored to that eternal zero. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಎರಡು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ಕಾಯಕ ಅವೇ ಕೈಲಾಸ. ಕಾಯಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮುನ್ಕೊಳಕಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು ಕಾಯಕ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಪುರುಷಾರ್ಥಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೆಂಟ್. ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಇದೆ, ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಬಿಡಿ. ನೋ, ವೈ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ನಾನು. ವೆನ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ even questioning his ego hurts his ego. He will go fast and do it. Sometimes you challenge the other's ego. Hurt their egos. Because I have seen some my gurus are doing it. The moment they found out that somebody is egoist, they hurt their ego in front of everybody. They go back and why can it like this? ನನಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು, ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು, ಪಂಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಥರ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟಪ್ ಅಂತ.
You get an opportunity,
So you bloated egos can be seen by like us. I can see. So next question, sir.
Like in your organization you talked about.
He is a good, very good question.
A senior authority, I feel at times, very bad for them. Why, they never get an opportunity where somebody can correct them, somebody can, hurt their ego or whatever, so that they can see what has happened. Nobody is there. That's why they are continuously living in that state of mind. So it is good to get such experiences.
Problem is with the public sector like him.
And you cannot correct them because they think they are correct.
That is what they don't.
You
get
work in a
opportunity,
bank? He worked here.
Was working.
So all these are common things.
They think they know
They,
everything.
he's worked with Daman, so-called the
Instead of
Navaratnas.
correcting them, keeping quiet is better.
That's why you do, no? Because you cannot do. Because you have that media.
Now, his problem is very, very, very deeply disturbing because even if he's honest and good, sometimes he won't be rewarded because there are a lot of incompetent, dishonest people around who will, because again the majority
Yeah.
is them. It goes down to such silly things as caste,
Correct.
okay, language. In a place like
Yeah.
PSUs, please, I'm with all disheartening, I'm telling not only PSUs, I'm talking every general, even in America, everywhere racial discrimination is a fact. Let us accept it. It hurts. It hurts. Okay. The moment they say Negro, anta. The moment they say South India, Madrasi. These are all the things used to be.
Again, labeling, na? Labeling that person with that identification. Drop that. Just.
ಆ ಒಂದು ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುಯಾಲಿಟಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
Change
ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
is not happening from inside.
We are doing only cycle ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. We are not taking the Lord in. We are searching the Lord outside, everywhere, except here. Any last question, sir?
Then what is enlightenment?
And last
Not
session.
understand the meaning of it.
Yeah. Okay. See, the word enlightenment. Light. Lighten yourself. You are light actually. You are actually enlightened. The thing is, you need to light it up. See, we all are actually. The thing is, we have not realized it. Like, you're not able to see it. You're not able to, kind of function it. The car is there, but you're not driving it. It's like that. It's there in you, but it is not being realized, function. In the sense that we are basically light bodies. All of us are. Okay? And this body is an instrument. Okay? Once you start realizing that you are a watcher, a witness, okay? And when all your body, mind and heart are totally sync and you are in the higher frequency, okay? That moment, okay, when all the three just happens, that state where you taste the bliss, where every moment there is no again sadness or not. That is the proof you come to know whether you're enlightened or not. If you say you're enlightened and yet you suffer from certain worry or stress, that means there is, maybe you have tasted a very small, a bit of it, a small bit of enlightenment, but not complete.
Sir.
So then can we just separate the ego into a good one or and a bad one? We are wanting very basic necessities in our life is also, if it is called as an ego, then can we just separate it?
I don't know, I didn't say-
Branding is also a problem.
See, actually, basic necessity is not called ego. It's not about the necessities of being called ego. It is how you take it. How you're creating in your consciousness. How you're identifying that with it. Okay? Say if one person has money, the other person doesn't have. And he cribs that he's not having. Again, that is ego. I don't have also is an ego only, Lack is there. And he says, I have to spend on myself. That again is an ego.
I have
It's
done
not that.
3 PhDs. Some people be like,
Because when we call
what is the
soul
that
as
ego?
ego,
Huh?
sir. But when we say if my country will be limiting it to a map, a boundary, a limit.
We have to go beyond that.
So patriotism is also an ego. What do you call it?
It's a value.
It
I
is-
don't call it as a ego. It's
Yeah,
a value.
it is just a
Pure
value. It
value.
should not be so.
Don't get
satisfied.
confused. Patriotism is not a ego, it's a value. You are remembering your nation, but what can I do for
We
nation?
use the word mind for anything, but everything is not ego. we use
No, one
it in
thing, sir,
different
ನಿಮ್ಮ
circumstances.
ಹೆಸರು ಮತ್ತೆ Huh? Arvind. Okay.
If say mind, yeah, it's not an ego. It's a patriot.
Vandana, is Arvind true? Arvind true? Yes. Okay. I'm asking Vandana ji to do at least once in a month because she looking at her YouTube hits, hundreds of hits. Let us give a big hand to her. Okay. So every month, please come on first Sunday, please, if you accept it.
Yeah, please,
We will
please.
we will promote you and we want to reach out. People like you should go to a lot of new people. So that's what we are. Empty space and Navabharta Trust believe and Pyramid believes in. And so let us give a very big round of applause for one.